Alright guys, so today we do a little rolling with this 40-foot super roller by Summers. Sometimes we do it before we plant, sometimes we do it after we clean clearly after the fact. You kind of want to level the ground off, so like for the sprayer, when we're spraying, it's a little smoother. This kind of creates a nice crust and packs the ground down so the moisture doesn't evaporate as quickly. And if I'm honest, it actually just, I don't know, it looks cool. To give you an idea of what I mean when I say it packs the ground, the roller, you can tell as this thing goes by, you can tell, you know, this is kind of a rug, and like these clumps here, they get stuck in the closing wheels of the planter. By the way, that thing does not have a person in it, so I better catch up with that before I lose control. But yeah, just to give you guys an idea. Hey guys, we're gonna hook up the sprayer. Bear with me.
You and I, we're trouble in sight.
Okay, so this is what we're spraying on the beans. I got the agitator going. Okay guys, so hooked up the sprayer, rinsed it out, checked everything over, filling it up with water now. I'm gonna go spray the beans. Ready to go.
Burning bright in my heart, we're going away. check the tag. Journey for life, and before we pay, cancel your health for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm alright. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air.
I enjoy making these videos for you guys. I hope you like my content. If you do, like and subscribe. Thank you.